Kublai shubuni pi barok ki parlok ki bijupe ikini ke channel nakapor syakapor. Hakane ke video ngi dan banwan ra IP ya kini ki training ki balaj apo jongka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority MBDA. Tikino kino ki bukwa ban apply ya kane ka training ki khwat nakabenta ki candidate ki bala pendap ya ka graduate lane postgraduate haka commerce bat kumta terter bat master haka geoinformatics remote sensing or master in geography bat kumta terter ki total number of seats ki dan hadu kani kawai ke benengkong ke finance procedure and maintenance of account ki dan hadu khat light ligisin bat kani ke post ke baar geographical information system ki dan hadu light ligi post de ka duration jong kani ka training kendai tang lai benai tengin page ye kani ka advertisement kum bakalong telada dan kino ki candidate ki bekwa lani ki balong interest ha kani ka training pila benlai apply bat karu kam apply kadai online tengin page ya kani ka advertisement kum bakalong ka Meghalaya Basin Development Authority MBDA lani ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency ka khot online application na kapanta ki eligible but ki interested candidate ban pendap ya kani ka apprenticeship training program na kapanta ka way ka project ka ban sami ban ya kata ka project kan long haki apo jong ka state jong ka Meghalaya bat ka program kani ka program ka aim jong ka kalong ban ai ya ka practical exposure and on experience but ki skill development na kabenta ki candidates tikino ki bakwa aban apply kene kedeka training kabel conduct daka MBDA tengin page ya kini ki kerteng jong kini ki training kabedengkong kadai jong ka finance procedure and maintenance of account ki kerdan pule dan kam ka graduate lane postgraduate haka commerce accountancy BBA MBA haka financial management accounting but finance haka first class pide binyo haka first class hakine ki kerdan pule ki number of seat ki dan haduk khat lightly na kabenta kaneka training bat ka duration kadai lai banai ka baar pat kadai geographical information system ka kerdan pule master haka geoinformatics remote sensing or master haka geography geology environmental science forestry agricultural water resources mining with 1 year postgraduate diploma in remote sensing and geoinformatics or master in geography, geology, environmental science, forestry, water resources, mining with 6-month certified course in remote sensing and geoinformatics. Ka total number of seat kidan hadu lightly, but ka duration jong kane ka training kadai lai benai. Ki pada ki skills but ki jingtip kiba pidei bandan lada pikwa ban apply ya kene ke post pidei bandan lani pidei bentip hakabai dei bat ka Microsoft Office tools kum ka Word Excel bat PowerPoint bat pidei ru bandan ka mons ngubha bantrai haki district bat ki block ki badai po jong ka khasi jentia bat garo region bat ru ban travel haki remote areas lani haki field beper lada dan kamban leg ki candidate kideru bendan ya ka laptop akapor jongka training ka recruitment process kalong kumni ki candidate ki ha baniat lingba ka written exam but interaction round kat kum ka selection process kandan ka written test but kata ka written test kan thop ye ki subject kumni harum general knowledge aptitude and reasoning psychometric test but subject matter ki eligibility and conditions kalong kumni Kamanengkong candidate ki belong ki permanent resident of the state of Meghalaya karta kelong khat prahadu saup sansnem but kandonru ka stipend awards kumba nyaw hajar hakashi benai na kabenta kaneka apprenticeship training program tekino ki bukwa ban apply kandonru ka stipend kabah nyaw hajar hakashi benai ka attendance kade belong khandai 4% hakabai dei bat kaneka training ki candidate ki dei ban long ki ba hosiar bha namar ka attendance ki pidei ban yo adu khandai 4% naga benta ki selected candidate kin sapha IP haki district lani ki block ki bran po jong ka Meghalaya naga benta training ka TEDA kan long nak kan ai da ka MBDA la ne ka MBMA policies te kumno ko kwam ban apply ki interested candidate phila ban apply tang lang bara ka ba apply online link ba ka ne ka Google form link thì cái này cái link in sebu opo jong ka comment section jong ka ne ka video in sebu opo ka comment section jong ka ne ka video kabai dei bat kelas date ban submit ya ki application kan kod aduk ka light benai match arajar ar pendru aduk kesan beje janmen ki candidate ki dei ban upload bat scan ya ki copies hakapor bat pi pendap ya kini ke Google form link pihak ban scan lupa ya ki dokumen ki jong pi bat sa upload apo jong ketika Google form link kanam dan pat de ki ki rekom ban apply ke rekom ban apply ko melong ke dei bai ding baka online ini pat ki deki important instruction ki candidate ki de ban wan rai ki original document hakapor jong ka examination na ka benta panle ya ka verification kanam dan TEDA na ka benta ki candidate ki ban attend syaka written test. The number of seat indicate is tentative and may vary depend on the project requirement. Canvassing in any form will lead to disqualification. Kanika office kadaro kahok ban cancel dan modify ya ki recruitment process nada dan kam. Tikino ki bukwa ban apply kumalaong nakabenta kanika apprenticeship training program conducted by the MBDA ila balai siya kanika training pinyo ru ya ka stipend ka bah nyojar ka shibnai te kadon lai benai ke duration jongka te ka bumut ba pio adu arpwe jar te kene ke video ngidan ban wan ra IP tang kini ki jumpun tep ku blai shibon